Okay, this is an IC-706 Mark 1, just been bought, or swapped for a TS-50 with Phill Hensby. That guy there claims to be, if I look on the properties of that message, 2E0WBP from the Wirral, Merseyside. Okay, this is the radio. Quite alarmingly, really. First thing I noticed when I opened it up, no serial number. Okay, here we are. 20 meters on Nino's frequency. All the way to a dummy load. There you go, that's a dummy load. I'm going to key the microphone to show you, look. Okay, see that? Watch the power supply. Key up. That's 6 amps. Low power. One. Audio 111. Right, 6 amps on TX. Let's just change bands. Let's go to 28 megs, because we know most of these have been used on CB. Power, still low. Way! 111111111. 1111. Let's go back. USB. Low power. Okay, back to the power supply. Still with the microphone. Key up. I'm still keyed up. Look. Keyed up, unkeyed. Still on low power. High power. Okay, microphone. One. So, what's that all about? So there you go, Phill Hensby, 2E1 or 2E0 WBP from the Wirral, Merseyside, Liverpool. IC-706. No serial number. Came with a separation plate, long power lead, which looks like it's only recently been soldered. Swapped it for a perfectly working Kenwood TS-50, which he claims in an email just received, he claims £180 watts it's doing on full power. I don't know about yourself, Phil. But I have a couple of bird meters, a couple of power meters, dummy loads, frequency counters and various other items of test equipment. I guarantee it was not doing 180 watts on full power. As you're only a 2E1 or a 2E0, I think you're only entitled to use 50 watts anyway, so there'll be no need for you to run it on 180 watts full power. So there you go. Not happy, to say the least.